And so here I am at GDC, and we're showing the demo of the Warhammer Vermintide 2 game, which is running on the Intel 8th generation Core NUC. And this is with the Radeon RX Vega M graphics. And these two things are integrated together using an EMIB. This is an interconnect bus that interconnects the two things for great power and great performance. So if you're a developer, you would be really excited about this system because you're able to run your game with much better power performance than you would have gotten on a 3-year-old system that had discrete graphics. So for this particular game, we optimized it for power and performance, and so now you're getting fantastic performance from what you had before. The system comes with 2 different versions. There's a 65-watt version, which is called the GL, and there's also a 100-watt version, which is the GH version. And so as a developer, you can target either one of those, depending on what kind of performance target that you're looking for. So with our developer program, we'd like to invite you to come and optimize on that. We have, if you join the developer program and you test your application and show that your game runs great on Intel, then we're offering $5,000 of social promotion. We also have a lot of other great tools that are available for you at the Game Developer Program. So you go to software.intel.com/gamedev. So we'll hope you join us, and thanks.